What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to buy the ZRO token, also known as the LayerZero token on Coinbase. So for the first step we will need to log into our Coinbase account, and if you don't have one yet, then you can sign up through the link in the description and you will receive 10 euros of Bitcoin for free. Once you have done that, go to the search bar right on top and search for the LayerZero token. So once you have found it, select it, and after that you will open this token page. Now we got the current market price over here and a price chart, and of course the time frames to select to see what this coin has done in the past. If you would like to read some more information about this project, then you can find that over here, and down below you will find the coin stats like the market cap, volume, circulating supply and the all-time high. Now if you would like to buy this coin, then we can scroll back up to the trading options on the right top. There you will find 3 trading options, a buy, sell and convert option. And on default the one-time order is selected. A one-time order is basically a single order for the current market price. So if you are planning to buy it once, then this is the best option. Now if you click on that, then you can also set up recurring buy options. Recurring buy options is very nice if you are planning to DCA or buy these coins on a more often base. This will set up automatic purchases during a daily, weekly or monthly time frame. So definitely try that out. For now we will select the one-time order, and then we need to fill in the amount of euros or dollars we would like to spend on this order. So let's say 1000 euros, and now you will see how much coins we will receive in return. Now after that, select your payment method by clicking on it. And if your preferred payment method is not in this list, then you can add a new one by clicking on this button down below. Just follow these steps and it will be added. And once you have added it, then you can select it and go back to the overview. Now what we need to do is always double check the coin we have selected to buy, so you are sure you have selected the right one. After that, select review order and we will review our order. As you can see on this order, we are paying transaction fees. These are fees towards Coinbase for using their platform. But if you would like to save yourself a lot of money while trading on Coinbase, then try out their Coinbase One subscription. This Coinbase One subscription will save you a lot of money because you won't pay any transaction fees up to 10k of trades a month. So definitely try that out. It is free for 7 days, and after those 7 days you are paying around 25 euros a month. So on one order alone you are already profitable. Now once you have decided to buy these coins, then click on the buy now button down below, and these coins will be automatically added to my assets on the left side. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!